It's Fed week with the first policy meeting of the year concluding on Wednesday. So can it prove to be an exciting time for gold? The metal seems to be off to a good start this Monday. And joining us now is Todd Bubba Horwitz on Kitco's Gold Report. Bubba, good to have you back on.
Daniela, always great to be on with you.
So tell me, what is the buzz like this week ahead of the big Fed meeting? Are traders anxious?
You know, I think nobody's really talking about the Fed right now. They're worried about what Trump did over the weekend. But I think that the Fed is going to be a very interesting play this week because I think there's a real good chance they could actually raise once again. Even though they're showing nothing, there could be another raise in the cards here based on what's been going on with the market. So I think it could create a lot of excitement later in the week. And if you've been watching the dollar, it's been whipping around between plus and minus for the last 24 hours. So it's been pretty interesting.
And gold near 1,200 as we speak here, Bubba. You know, why the move higher? Is it just bargain hunting here on last week's dip?
You know, I think that gold is getting ready to make a little bit of a sell. You know, we've been looking for a downside move in gold, and I think we saw a rally up to right to resistance. We came down and we're down now, getting just, I think, a little bit of a profit-taking buy now. Some of the shorts are covering. I think you're going to look down to see probably 1150 and maybe lower. And in the bear market could theoretically end on the Fed announcement. I mean, I'm looking for one move down to see the bear market in gold end, and this could be the week that it could possibly happen.
So it could happen, you think, post the Fed meeting conclusion?
Yeah, I think what would happen, I'm looking for one more big sell-off. And I don't mean like in dollar amount, but I think one more quick, panic out the rest, and then I think you will start to see a lift in the markets. I think it'll be very similar to the end of any market. We're very close to the end of the bear market in gold, and it'll take an event, and the Fed is the event that could possibly drive it.
Okay, so that's what you feel in your bones, Bubba. So let's talk about your favorite now, silver. The surge we saw on Friday. There doesn't seem to be a specific reason for the spike. It's holding up today as well. So what's happening here on the silver front? Is it just, supply-demand dynamics here?
I mean, silver obviously has an industrial use as well as a precious metal use, but the chart patterns have been really phenomenal. And over the last 18 months, silver's really outperformed most of the metals. And I think this is going to be a continuation. I think this is where money is going to start to go in. And if you watch it and you look at it, we've held a higher low once again. I think on a longer term chart, I think we're going to start to see a much bigger move up here. And I think this will still outpace gold for the next, and until gold finally turns, silver will be the place to be for a while.
Bob, as always, great speaking with you. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you, Daniela. Great to be here.
Stay tuned for more this week on Kitco's Gold Report. Thanks for watching.